From Memorial Stadium in Terre Haute to O'Brien Field in Charleston, Illinois, schools only separated by 52 miles. But over 100 years of history, the first meeting in 1901 between these schools took place. The Panthers have extended the winning streak in this series the 6th straight. They've won 13 of the last 15 against the Sycamores. You can say the least. There's a lot to play for in this game tonight in Charleston, Illinois. With Jaquan Keys right behind him. Boyle fakes the handoff to Keys, looks to throw, 3-step drop, gonna air it out deep, has Dante Hendricks in Eastern Illinois territory, caught over the shoulder, down to the 21 of Eastern Illinois, right in the middle of the field. State about to punch it in, they're close. Boyle, handoff to Keys, up the middle, and he's throw! Touchdown Indiana State! Jaquan Keys with the score! That ties it at 6 with 11:30 halted on the clock. Covington now at the carry near side. He's at the 30, misses a man to the 25, down to the 15, to the 10, and continuing the tiptoe down to the 3. Oh, Boyle, chest high snap. It's Covington near right side, and he's in. Just across the blue H in the black end zone. And with 4:59 to go in the first quarter, we're deadlocked at 13. Runs into his own man. Now tries the Indiana State sideline gaping hole. 45-50, still on the sideline. He's going to go all the way. Touchdown, Eastern Illinois. 15 in this game at this point. Boyle will pitch it to Keys left side. He's in the flat. To the far numbers, breaks a couple tackles. First down. Boyd's another one at the 20. Continuing at the far numbers, down to the 10 and inside the 10-yard line. 22-yarder, and the kick is on the way from Jerry Nunez, and he splits it easily. So the first field goal of the season for Jerry Nunez is good, and Tynan Williams to the near left side. Keys will follow him into the end zone. Touchdown as he's flipped over onto his back and onto his blue padded behind. But he's in for a score. 23-20. Indiana State in front. Knee-high snap. Brinkley to throw. Pressured. And he's sacked. Fumbled. It's loose on the turf. Picked up by Anoke Bawala. And Indiana State at the 25. Down to the 20. First down at 10. Indiana State. And it was Caleb Newman who got the sack. Off the Keys, right side at the far right hash. Cuts up to the 10, he's to the 5, into the end zone! Touchdown! Indiana State! 30-20. Indiana State makes it here in the second quarter with 4:03 to go. Snap is good. It's clean. It's up. It's blocked. Indiana State trying to pick it up, and it's just going to fall down. Indiana State with a huge block field goal right before halftime with 22 seconds to go. He almost has too many guys on the field. Hand off the Keys. Boyle actually will keep it himself, and he's in! Touchdown, Indiana State! Ryan Boyle sneaks through. 37-27, Indiana State up by 10. 5:52 to go in the third quarter. Delgado, it's a line drive kick, bouncing the Caden at the 10. He fields it at the far number. Continuing at the 20, open space again, 30, 40, he's the midfield. He's got the kicker to beat, and Delgado drags him down at the 45. Keys to the 10, he's gone! Touchdown! Jaquan Keys scampers all the way to the end zone, 43 yards for the score. It's over. Indiana State beats Eastern Illinois for the first time since 2004. The 6-game losing skid in the series to Eastern Illinois is snapped. And for only the third time since 1983, Indiana State wins in Charleston.
We are 2-1 going into the conference. 2-1. I want you to enjoy this for 1 night. I want you to be mature about it. It's going to be fun, man. It's going to be fun. We're coming together as a team, man. I couldn't be more proud of you guys, man. You be mature about it tonight, guys.